I'm going to be showing you how to create the chi-square test value with the calculator. Here's the data that I'm going to be working with, 8 observed values. In order to get the corresponding expected values, I'm going to start by getting the row totals, the column totals, and the grand total. All right. Here's an example of that. Then to calculate the expected, I'm going to do the row total divided by the column total, the row total times the column total divided by the grand total. I'll just key that in here, 67 times 52 divided by 128. And just so you can get a feel for how to do this, for California Republicans, it'll be 61 times 52 divided by 128. All right, let me show you the completed product. Now we're going to go over to the calculator. I'm going to start off in Stat. Let's go to L1, L2, Edit. I already have the observed values in L1. Now in L2, I'm going to put the corresponding expected values. 27.2, 24.8, 9.9. You're going to make sure that you line these up. Observed and expected. 13.1, 11.9, 16.8, 15.3. Next, you want to create the formula observed minus expected squared divided by expected. That's going to happen in the L3 column. We're going to go over to L3, use the arrow, and then go up to the heading, highlight L3. That's where the formula is going to go. Start off by opening a parenthesis because you want order of operations to work correctly. And then we're going to see L1 is above 1. You're going to do second 1. You can see L1 here, minus second 2 to get L2. And I'm going to close the parenthesis. In order to get the square, I'm going to just hit the X squared button. See what that looks like here. And then it's over expected. I'll use divided by. Then L2 again. And when I hit enter, notice how L3 gets populated. Here are all the 8 individual values. In order to get the chi-squared value, I want to sum these up. To do that, I'm going to quit out. And now I'm going to go into second stat, go over to math, use the arrow, and you can either arrow down to sum or you can hit 5. This brings you back to the main screen. What do you want to sum? You want to sum the L3 column, second 3 to get L3. You don't even have to close the parentheses. Hit enter, and there's your value.